Hello and welcome to our Postcards with Love, which is the second crochet along that we've done with Eleonora Tully of Coastal Crochet. This one is inspired by people's travels and the lovely tradition of sending postcards back from those travels. And it's the sharing of the love, the adventures, the memories that we're trying to get across in this one. And just the pure pleasure of having something like that pop through your letterbox is always just so lovely. So this time we have all the things that you need. So the shopping list this time has 9 colours in it, and we have done 2 options. The one that you see here is the cotton soft, so that's done in this range, and of course there are lists out there for you to get the things, and I do know quite a lot of the stockists have put together packs this time, so that's really good. You can buy exactly the amount that you need. Now with the cotton soft you need a 4mm hook, and with our big value range, so there's big value 50g DK, and then there is also the baby range, just to let you know that some of the colours do overlap. So for example, the cream, you can get either the baby cream or the one in what we call the adult range. They're both exactly the same, so don't worry if you appear to have 1 or 2 things that say baby on and some that say or don't say baby. But that is a 4.5mm crochet hook, so there is just a slight difference in what you need. Obviously work to your own tension. If you know that you're a slack crocheter, you might go with a smaller hook anyway, so we'll leave you to decide on that one. In addition to the hook, you just need a sewing up needle, or a knitter's needle as we call them, a pair of fairly sharp scissors, and I'm recommending some stitch markers. I have been working through this and doing you the how-to videos again, and the stitch markers have come in very useful this time with them. So I hope you like it. I've really enjoyed making this. The colours are wonderful to work with anyway, and just I've learnt a few new things. There's a few things I've not actually done before. I've put some of my own suggestions in there for how to work certain bits, but if you're an experienced crocheter and you've got a way of working something, by all means do your own version. And we're obviously interested in sharing those hints and tips if you've got any to share with your fellow crocheters on the page that we've got set up for you all. There's hundreds of people already on the page, if not thousands. We've had an unprecedented demand for this one, so I'm really looking forward to sharing it with you, and I hope you all enjoy it as much as I have. So let's get cracking.